Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You open your laptop and see income rolling in from something you set up today. Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you the tool that makes it happen is already sitting in your browser? Yep. ChatGPT. And in 2025, it's not just smart, it's a money machine. Today, I'm showing you the 10 fastest ways to make money with AI and ChatGPT. These aren't theories. They're real, working strategies that anyone can start, even without tech skills. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Quick favor, before we start, hit subscribe, and click that bell icon. I drop these AI money-making tools every week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe now. Ready? Let's go. Let's start with something small, but powerful. Number 1. Micro-task automation with ChatGPT. Think of tiny freelance tasks, data entry, product descriptions, blog outlines, email drafts. All these can be automated. Ask ChatGPT to handle 80% of it. You deliver results in minutes, not hours. That means faster delivery, more clients, and more income. Simple, right? Method 2. Create and sell AI-infused digital products. This one is crazy underrated. You can build templates, guides, or ebooks. But instead of writing for days, let ChatGPT generate ideas, outlines, and drafts. You edit. You package. You sell. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, are your own site. And once it's built, it keeps selling. That's passive income, AI style. Method 3. Build chatbots for businesses. This is pure opportunity. Local businesses need automation, but most have no idea where to start. You come in. Build them a simple AI chatbot. Customize it for their business. Charge a monthly fee. And boom, recurring income. Think gyms, restaurants, real estate agents. They all need fast responses. You can build it in a day and get paid every month. Number 4. AI-powered content repurposing. Everyone creates content, but few know how to repurpose it. You can take one YouTube video, turn it into a blog, 10 Instagram posts, and 3 email newsletters. All with ChatGPT. You become their content multiplier. That's a service worth hundreds per client. And it's repeatable. Number 5. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Alright, now, this next one's huge. Affiliate marketing with AI. Here's how it works. You pick a product. ChatGPT writes your reviews, comparisons, and blog posts. You plug in your affiliate links. Drive traffic through social media or SEO. The AI handles the heavy lifting. You handle the profits. Simple, scalable, and fast. Number 6. Sell prompts and prompt packs. Everyone uses ChatGPT, but few know what to ask it. That's where you come in. Create prompt packs for specific niches. Example: 30 prompts for real estate agents, 50 prompts for content creators. Package them neatly. Sell them on Gumroad or your website. You build once and sell forever. That's digital leverage. Number 7. AI-driven online courses or workshops. You already know something valuable. So, teach it. Use ChatGPT to script your lessons. Create quizzes, PDFs, and course outlines. Launch it on Udemy or your own platform. You become the teacher. ChatGPT becomes your assistant. Education meets automation. Number 8. Create niche newsletters. This one's gold in 2025. Pick a narrow niche, like AI for small shops, or AI tips for freelancers. Use ChatGPT to gather updates. Summarize and format them. Send them out weekly. Offer premium versions with deep insights. And monetize through subscriptions. It's simple and powerful. Number 9. Build simple SaaS or web apps with ChatGPT API. You don't need to be a pro coder. You can use no-code tools with AI integrations. Example, a contract generator for freelancers. Or an AI blog headline creator. Charge a subscription. Keep scaling. Because SaaS never sleeps. Number 10. Licensing AI-generated assets. You can create marketing copy, ad banners, product photos, video scripts, then license them. Sell to marketers, agencies, small businesses. You own the assets. They pay for access. That's how creators win in 2025. Let's recap quickly. 1. Micro-task automation. 2. Digital products. 3. Chatbots. 4. Content repurposing. 5. Affiliate marketing. 6. Prompt packs. 7. Online courses. 8. Newsletters. 9. SaaS tools. 10. Licensing assets. Every one of these is working right now. The only question is, which one will you start with? Because waiting means missing. Momentum beats perfection. Always. Now, as promised, the tool that made me $100. It's simple. I built a custom ChatGPT prompt pack for small businesses, focused on Instagram captions. Sold it for $47. Got 5 sales in 2 days. Total, $235. I did 90% of the work. I just packaged it. That's it. Proof that small ideas make big money. If you act fast, you could do the same this week. I'll drop a link to the template below. But only if you've subscribed. Because next video is going to blow your mind. Seriously. We're diving into automation tools that can build entire side hustles while you sleep. So don't miss it. And before you go, hit the like button if you found value here. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And tap that bell, so you're first to know when I drop a new one. Comment below. Which AI method are you trying first? I'm reading every comment. Because this community is growing fast. You guys are the early adopters. The builders. The action takers. And I want you to win. Don't overthink it. Pick one method today. Build momentum. Even a $5 start is better than zero. I reward speed and consistency. Use it smart, not just for fun. Build. Sell. Automate. Repeat. The sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. You've got this. And remember, you don't need permission to start. You just need a plan. ChatGPT gives you the tools. You bring the action. Together, that's income. 2025 is going to reward creators, not consumers. So, build something today. Even if it's small. Learn. Adapt. Scale. Because the AI wave won't wait. And you shouldn't either. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Seriously, don't miss it. Hit that bell. Share this video with a friend who needs AI income ideas. You'll thank yourself later. I'll see you in the next one. Keep creating. Keep experimenting. Keep earning. I'm out. Peace. You just learned 10 ways to make money with AI. Now go make your first $1. Because you're ready. And the world's waiting. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Like this video for the algorithm boost. Comment, AI 2025, if you made it this far. Let's build something epic together. See you tomorrow.